Oh my god, this is how I go. Some of my glue is making this eye stick together. Don't know if you can see, just in that inner corner there.
Back again so soon, you say? Yes, I am.
I actually kissed my hand.
So today, as you can probably tell by the title and my face, this is the look that Kim Kardashian West wore to the 2018 Met Gala. The red carpet was amazing. Some people's outfits were just to die for. I was obsessed with Gigi Hadid. Blake Lively was probably my absolute most favorite everything. For some people, I was kind of like, this is your chance to kind of like, you know, blow everyone else's minds. And Kendall Jenner, what you doing? Like, I feel like she could have worn that anywhere. Sarah Jessica Parker's was very interesting. Madonna was very her, but very... Also, Nicki Minaj didn't look like Heavenly Bodies. She looked the opposite way. But anyway, who am I to judge with $12 in my bank account? So I was absolutely inspired by the way Makeup by Mario did Kim Kardashian's makeup. Like, she looked delicious. She looked like, I actually said this at work, she looked like $1 million, which is kind of selling her a little short. A lot short. I don't know, what do I get up to? She looks like $1 trillion. What's her net worth? I'm not sure. Since everyone else is recreating her look, I thought I'd jump on the bandwagon, and because I loved it so much, I thought, why not do it myself as well? I did bake, however, I doused myself in makeup setting spray afterwards, and I'm actually very happy with the outcome. It doesn't look or feel as dry. There's actually no transfer, which for somebody that doesn't set, I'm used to transfer. Okay, if you'd like to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. We're going to start from the beginning with skincare and everything like that. I'm going to start with my Dior Capture Youth Glow Booster Serum. This one contains vitamin C and glycolic acid, so it helps to sort of brighten and even out the skin tone. And you really want to make sure when you're creating any look, I guess, that, you know, you're taking care of your skin. Skin's number one step. If you prep and hydrate properly, even if you're oily, you still need hydration. So make sure you're using like products with high water content or hyaluronic acids and things like that. It's just going to help your makeup to sit a lot smoother and nicer and longer on your skin as well. And I'm going to go in with my IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream just to moisturize. This is what my Mother's Day has come down to, guys. Since I live away from my mum, I am making YouTube videos. I think I might start with the eyes just because it's quite a heavy eye look and I don't want to sort of make a mess on my complexion. So she's got quite a wash of colour of brown over the rest of her lid, and her feline look, I guess, is a lot of kind of smudged shadows. Alright, so as I said, we're going to start with the eyes. I'm not a fan of doing eyebrows first, so I kind of don't really want to, but anyway, we're going to prime our eyelids, and I am using the Sephora High Coverage Concealer, and this is in the colour 28. And make sure we're getting that all over the eyelid, all the way up to the eyebrow. And then I'm going to set over my eyelids using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. It's been a while. I'm just going to take the lightest shade and make sure I really set that base. So I'm going to go in with my Soft Glam palette again, and I'm going to take the colour Burnt Orange and mix it with a bit of orange soda. And I'm sort of going to take that all over. This is going to be like a wash of colour all over the eye. Starting from the outside, so you know you can get that depth around that area. I'm going to go in with a little bit more of orange soda. This is the lighter of the two, so I'm going to sort of diffuse that a little bit more into the brow bone. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of rustic mixed with a little bit of sienna. And we're just going to start to deepen that crease a little bit more. I'm going to go back in with a little bit of that concealer, and I'm just going to carve the under part of my brow. And I'm going to take a small brush and this color Tempera, I think, and I'm just going to highlight my brow bone. Okay, brows are on, and then we're going to go in with the eyeliner. I kind of wanted to use like a cream black eyeliner or something like that, but I thought I had one, but I don't, so I'm just going to go in with, this is just a Rimmel London Soft Kohl. So we're going to use that and we're going to smudge it. And I'm going to start to kind of pull it up a little bit. And we're pulling it into the inner corner because she had a very feline kind of look as well. To make that as black as I possibly can, I'm going to go over it with a little smudging brush. I'm going to go into Noir in that Soft Glam palette. And I'm just going to run that over top. Kind of wanted to go over the lid a little bit more with sienna and burnt orange and not leave it so light. Okay, now to the other eye, and hopefully I can get that angle of that wing the same. So that's probably about as even as I'm going to get them right now. So we're going to move on to complexion. Use my Makeup Cosmetica Illuminating Primer. So a couple of these things are going to be the things that I used in my last video because I'm still vibing them, so I have to. And I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier foundation in Sand Beige. So I fake tanned the other night. This is still probably a little bit light for me, but we'll just go with it. Wow, I realize I sniff a lot in my videos, guys, so I'm really sorry. I only just picked up on it in my last video when I was editing, but I sniffle really hard and a lot in my videos, so apologies. And then using my Sephora High Coverage Concealer, I'm going to conceal and highlight my face. And then to contour, I'm going to use again my trusty contour kit, contour stick I should say, from Sephora Collection. And then I'm going to bronze with my Laura Mercier Ritual Bronzer. And then for the sole purpose of this video, I will be baking my face because we all know a Kardashian doesn't go out without a bake. Thinking maybe I should have bronzed after the bake. But we'll do a little bit after as well. So I'm going to bake with this and not a loose powder. I've done it before because these are quite soft powders. They do tend to, I guess, loosen up quite nicely in there. So I'm going to take the middle yellow colour and we're going to bake. I don't want to take it too late. I was going to say I don't want to take it too far up under my eye where the finer lines are. Wow, this shit really works, guys. Okay, while we let that bake, I'm going to pop some mascara on and I'm going to put my lashes on as well. Didn't bring my lashes, but let me, I'm going to use some Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara today. Actually, we'll finish the bottom eye look while I'm here with you, and then I'll pop my lashes on off camera. So I'm going to take my black liner again, and we're going to line basically the entire inner rim of the eye, so the inner waterline and the tight line above. Wow, I look 100 years old under my eyes. I don't understand why people bake. I've never seen so many lines in my life. Grabbing my smudger brush again, I'm just going to dip into Noir. And we're going to smudge that along the lower lash line. And with a much smaller sort of fluffy brush, I'm just going to dip back into orange soda, and I'm just going to run that really softly along my lower lash line. Just to diffuse the black a little bit. Okay, I think I've had enough of this bake. Thank God my camera quality isn't the highest, most up-to-date technology, because the lines and wrinkles and dryness that has been completely enhanced on my face from this bake. Stop doing it, guys. I'm going to go a little bit into the contour kit from Kat Von D as well and take the middle shade just to enhance the contour a bit more. So lashes are on. I am using the Lady Boss lashes, and these are in the style Luxe. These are their luxury mink lashes. Probably my absolute favorite pair that I've ever worn ever. I've worn these to death. There's like a little gap here because I was like trying to remove the glue, and I removed some lashes by accident because I've worn them like 55 times. But I'm still rocking it, and I'm just going to keep rocking it. I'm going to add a little bit of blush on my cheeks because it does look like in her pictures that she has a nice like coppery flush. So I am using Copper Tone by MAC. Just over my cheeks. Oh my god, I can't wait to spray my face with some like setting spray or something to just like hydrate this shit. I'm gonna do it now. I'm going to spray the Mecca Cosmetica Makeup Perfecting Mist all over, baby. All over. Drink. Look, I may have gone overboard. You can see that glow back in my skin again. Yes. I gotta highlight. I'd probably prefer a cream highlight in this instance, but since I've been up back to my bedroom like 5 times already, I'm not gonna get up again. So I'm just going to use the Becca highlighter in Champagne Pop. Look at that, sis. And for the lip, she's got quite a nude lip color on, but it's very much ombre, so it is quite dark on the outside and a little bit more pinky nude on the inside. Don't know if you can see. Everyone here has Instagram, I'm assuming, so have a look. I'm going to use a few different lipsticks for this look, just so I can get a really nice gradient of colors that I guess I want to include from my collection. I think I might do almost what I did last time. Flirt with something lighter in the center. Flirt with a little bit of bombshell in the middle. And then a little bit of Anastasia milkshake. In the center of that. I'm going to let those dry down, and then I'm going to pop a little bit of Sugar from Marc Jacobs, his enameled lip gloss, just in the center, because she did look like she had a little bit more, I guess, gloss to her lip finish. Well then, friends, here you have Kim Kardashian West's Met Gala 2018 look, done by yours truly. Thank you very much for tuning in to watch my Kim Kardashian inspired makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment down below for any other suggestions that you might have. Give this video a thumbs up if you did like it, and if you didn't, then don't know why you sat through the whole thing or why you're still watching me. So anyway, follow me on all my pages. They are linked down below. Have a lovely day, everybody, and cannot wait until next year's Met Gala.